It's important that when you're growing cucumbers, you pick them at the right time. So I have a cucumber right here, which is obviously too small to pick. There's another cucumber right here, which I'm gonna pick, which is, we've let it go too long. So this cucumber is probably going to be bitter. It's probably gonna have big seeds, and it's not gonna be very good to eat. Now you wanna scout every day or two on your plants to make sure that you pick the cucumbers at about the right size. So here I have one that is just about the right size for this variety. And this will make a very good cucumber to eat or put on your salad or even to pickle. Different cucumber varieties have different lengths that you want to pick them at. So these tend to be skinny. The ones over on this side tend to be a lot fatter when they're ready and shorter. So just kind of early on in the spring, a little trial and error, see when the best time is to pick the cucumber to eat it. But for cucumbers, bigger is not always better.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.